Idea is smart car might get stuck next.
Don't worry, we can lift your car.
Yeah, that's true.
There's 5 people. We're good.
We might just put it carried in the middle of a pile and just leave it there.
That'll be fun.
Get out. Nice stand back.
Okay, put it drive.
Why? I thought we were going backwards.
Oh, hey. Yeah, away from the...
Yeah, if that snaps, back up.
Right, break the wheels up, All right, start going backwards. Go. Okay.
Back up a little bit, Coach.
Wait for the cord,
Okay.
Thank you, Coach Dave.
All right, Coach. Go over there. Fun.
Well, if you back it up enough and floor through here, you'll be all right.
Hey, Paul.
You know what it was, dude.
Hey, Paul, as long as you stay out of areas like this where there's standing water, you'll probably be a good. Hey, you'll probably be good.
Hey, go this way. Look right.
Oh, you got it?